Hi, it's Dave from SuperPro here in my office today with some great new products we've got for the BMW drivers out there. If you've got a 3 Series BMW 2011 on and you need some new caster arms and you need a bit of an improvement with camber, this is the product for you. Comes as a complete kit, aluminium kit, fantastic for your vehicles. As we know with those cars, they already handle really well to start with, but if you just want to take it to that next level, this is the answer for you, and it's also going to improve your tyre life. And as we know, the tyres for those things aren't cheap. So we've got these arms here give you a little bit better camber, and we've got these arms here that give you a whole lot better caster. As you can see, they've got the eccentric tube in there, so you can adjust that out and get the wheel alignment specs just right. So if you've got a 3 Series BMW and you need some new arms, give us a bell. These ones, of course, fit the 95mm subframe, so you do need to check that. But go to the SuperPro website, plug in your postcode, find a distributor near you, and get yourself some new control arms today.